By early evening of that third rained-in day, showers have relented, and so has my pain. I feel strong enough to go on a short painting trip. I pull on a thick wool shirt, shoulder the French easel, and hike across the creek to my favorite old juniper. Storm clouds scud overhead like bumper cars wheeled by drunken winds. Safe and sheltered from this mayhem under ancient boughs, I paint until the slight drizzle becomes raindrops again. By the time I've packed up the easel, it is pouring. Rain models the painstaking blended sky, even as I shield the canvas against my thigh.